Hello, YouTube. I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. This is what we got. Today we're making some tiger shrimp prawns.
What is this one?
This, Nick brought me this sauce. Is from Vincent's.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're going to have this New York style.
And this one is for the kids.
Even though, but we know that's going to be good too.
This one looks pretty good.
Yes. So, you know, just because they're children, we're not going to... Yeah, it's for everybody. No. So, I'm going to have some salad, some shrimp, some linguine. We have some oysters. They're on ice box right now. We'll bring those out later.
Okay.
They're on ice right now. What else? Guess that's it. Some good bread. So I guess we'll check you guys out later.
We're gonna go look at the shrimp now.
Okay, yeah, go. Here we got some prawns,
My nose with
shrimps, and we're going to batter them. We're gonna batter these shrimp and we're gonna fry them. We're gonna have some shrimps and spaghetti, and we'll get back to you guys when we start frying.
Okay.
After Lord's Day, we're again my house, I guess. I got a little shrimp, spaghetti. Gina made some shrimp spaghetti, so it's still in our mind. We had to redo it.
We're here to Desiree Nick's house and making some shrimp and spaghetti. Nick went to New York and bring back some sauce for Desiree. This is the Vincent. So we're here trying to satisfy her hunger. So we're frying the shrimps right now. And as soon as they come out, we'll show you guys how they're looking. Oh, who made that sauce?
I made this sauce.
Pretty good. Making them kakoy. Very nice one. Alright. This one is Vincent. This is Vincent, and that's real Vincent. Okay. Alright, so we're here taking out the shrimp. You don't want them to get overdone. You don't want them to get rubbery.
How do you know?
Yeah, how do you know when they're done? Because they're golden brown.
How do you know? We're gonna test one out.
Oh, yeah.
I just started some water.
Okay, well, we'll get back.
Okay, we're gonna plate up this food. The boys ate already. Now it's our turn. All right. This is Vincent's. Got a linguine going on. That's it. That looks good. This is our shrimp and spaghetti. Do you want to say something? Okay. Alright, so we're going to see you guys later. God bless. Leave us some good comments. No bad comments. And God bless. Go to church on Sunday. We'll see you on Easter.